I don't think this is a good idea. But now I'm too far in. Hey loves, so today we're gonna do a Wet n Wild tutorial. The kittens are in here per usual. What? I don't know if you can hear her. Luna always has so much to say. Anyway, so this is gonna be mostly Wet n Wild. I think I have enough to do pretty much an entire tutorial, so we're just gonna jump right into it. But before we do, please subscribe if you have not already. We upload every Monday, Wednesday, Friday here on my channel. And don't forget to hit that little notification bell if you want to be notified. Not that it really works, but just in case it wants to work, you can hit that little bell if you want a notification every time I upload. Yeah, so let's get into it. All right, so I've already moisturized my face a little bit. We are going to try this primer. So this is obviously from Wet n Wild. This is the Photo Focus Face Primer, the Dewy one. Let's try this out. Interesting. I thought this was gonna be like clear, but it is beige. It is beige colored. What was I saying? Anyway, my legs have been hurting really bad. So I slept in and it helped quite a bit. I feel like the more rest I get, the more my body is nice to me. So the primer is on. It looks slightly dewy. So today we're gonna try this Wet n Wild Mega Cushion Foundation. I've heard lots of good things about this. I have mine in 106A Light Ivory. So we're gonna try the actual applicator. So I don't know about this one. I've heard that it's a lot lighter. Yeah, because you can see it looks a lot lighter than it does in there. I still don't think it's gonna be the right shade for me, but let's give it a go. So weird how it definitely looks too dark in my mirror, but then on the viewfinder and like on my monitor, it looks like the perfect shade. But I'm gonna probably dip my sponge into the sponge. This just takes so long. I feel like I'm taking forever to pat this on my face. It looks really nice in the skin. I don't know if you guys can see that. Let me try and bring you in a little closer. Pretty good, pretty smooth, pretty dewy. So far I like it. Okay, let's do some concealer. So far so good. So far so good on that. I have two different ones. Maybe I'll mix them. I don't know. So I have the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Concealer. This one I think was too dark. I don't remember about this one, the Come Correct Celebrity Concealer, but I do think that this one's more full coverage. I'm just gonna mix them. Let's just do that. Let's just YOLO. We're probably gonna have to, yeah, I don't like the tone of this one. Definitely not. I like a lighter concealer. I have mine in fair. I don't know if I already said that, but this is fair. My face is very large on this monitor. Okay, we're just gonna blend this in. I'm just gonna use this sponge. This is a beauty blender, the OG. I need a new one. So I have this powder, but I vaguely remember it darkening my foundation. So I'm not sure if I want to use it. I know I won't use it under the eyes, but I feel like it darkened my foundation the last time. We'll use it down on the outer edge of my face. How about that? This one is in shade Warm Light. They have lighter shades in their foundation. Why don't they have lighter shades in their powders? Silly gooses. Yeah, that definitely darkened it. It's weird. I feel like I look tan. We have a new brow pencil from Wet n Wild. What are you called? You are the Retractable Brow Pencil. Medium brown. I think I ordered this when I was still brunette. It's like the brow definer from Anastasia. And then I think this side is a spoolie. Wet n Wild Ultimate Brow Mascara, Blonder Over Yonder. This is well lived. Hopefully this will lighten my brows a little bit. I think we're gonna go with this little beauty. Rosé in the Air, I believe. Yeah, Rosé in the Air. Heard wonderful things about this palette. I have not used it on my face yet, so let's get to it. I did pick up a blending brush, so we'll start with that. This is one of their fluffy blending brush from the Pro brush line. See, I'm first going to go in with that really light cream shade to kind of set my brow bone area. Hopefully it's not too dark for that. It's a very soft brush. We're going to go warm. I think we're going to go with this guy. Oh, she came to the party. Look at this. Okay. far they are blending super nicely, super nicely. I'm gonna go ahead and take that same shade to the lower lash line. I have no idea what I'm gonna do today. We're just gonna go for it. I'm gonna try so hard to not use that berry shade, but I kind of really want to because you guys know me. I love a good berry and it matches my hair right now. Very, very. I think I want to go in with the orange. This beauty right here. I'm going all the way from outer corner to inner corner. I'm just buffing that all up in there. I like the lower lash line pretty blown out, so if you don't, then obviously don't go down near as far as I've gone. While I'm deciding, I think I'm gonna use a little bit of ghost powder and clean this up. Par usual. Okay, we're gonna go in with that berry shade. I can't control myself, I'm sorry. So let's just take a little bit of it. By a little bit, I mean a bunch. And pop it out here for now and see how this goes. Maybe we'll just put it all over the lid. Do that, that's not something I do often. Take a little of that berry shade and put it down here. I'm gonna put on some liner and lashes. So we have the Get the Skinny Tip eyeliner, and it looks like it's a felt tip. So let's crack this guy open and see what's up. First of all, I love the packaging. It's pink and black. Let's see how this goes. Oh, it's so tiny. Look how tiny. It's so small. I love it. Okay, so I tried to bring it down and I got a bunch of little tiny spots. So I'm gonna put some pencil liner under there. I don't think I have a Wet n Wild one, so I'm just gonna use a ColourPop one. So I'm just gonna use Swerve. Obviously any black liner will do. I'm just gonna smudge it on this lower lash line and waterline. This little brush has been like my favorite little dude lately. It's just from AOA Studio. It's the E134. Excuse me. Pick up E134, which is so small. This makes blending out eyeliner and stuff so easy. We'll use the Megalength mascara. I like the Megalength mascara. It's not my favorite, but it's not bad at all, especially for how insanely affordable it is. Got myself in the eye with it. Wow, that's like literally all over my under eye. So we're just gonna go with this. We're gonna go with this super smoked out under eye because that just transferred all over my under eye. Look at that, all over under there. That's not even the one I poked my eye. I poked my eye on the other side. Wow, we would have done some big lashes today, girl. Okay, so we're gonna go big with the lashes today. We are gonna use Koko Lashes Queen Bee. I love these. Okay, I'm gonna pop these babies on and be right back. So the contour I have is the cushion contour, and I don't think this is gonna work well. I don't know if that's right, but we got it open. I'm a little scared. I think I want to start really lightly with, oh, it's squishy. Okay, this is gonna be too much. This is gonna be, I'm a little, okay, we'll start back here. Okay, I'm gonna blend it out with a different brush, hopefully. Okay, not as tragic as I expected, but not. I don't think this is a good idea. But now I'm too far in. This is a dark makeup look. This is not very summer friendly, but that's okay. Makes you think of all the looks that Katie does, her Dead Girl Glam. Like, it looks way better on her than on me. All right, wow, let's move on to highlight. I can't wait to glow. So I don't think that this contour is bad by any means, and it's not even super like warm toned. It's, I don't know what I'm doing. This is Blossom Glow, one of their MEgaglow highlighters. I'm really excited to try this little booger. Girl, I'm excited for this. It's pretty. I need to do lips. I really want to put some of this on my inner corner. Don't mind his tail. So let's see how this goes. Just using a sponge tip. Let's do some lips. Let's do some lips. I'm going to use the one that I've been loving the most, which is Lay Down the Mauves from their gel lip liners. It is bomb. What? What, child? What doing? I think we're gonna use Toffee Talk. I'm probably gonna have to use a little bit of concealer because I do want it to be a lighter shade. Sorry for these bangs being uncontrollable. Alright, love, so I think that is everything. Please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Sorry there was a few little bumps in the road, and it's not even close to what I thought I was going to do today, but it is what it is. Hello, loves. It is future me, and I did change out my lip color. It's now several hours later, but I forgot to film changing out my lip color because I like this one way more with this look than I did Toffee Talk. Toffee Talk was just too dark on me, so I ended up mixing Nudie Patootie with a tiny bit of Rebel Rose. So we got, I did tap a little bit of concealer in the middle because I like to do that because I'm super fair. So I just like to make lip colors lighter because then they, especially nudes, because I feel like it matches my skin much more as a nude. But everything's wearing really well so far. It's probably been about 4 hours, 5 hours, 5 hours. Yeah. So I don't know. I thought I'd check back in because I went and ran a couple errands and now I am back and switched my lip color. So I wanted to share that with you, and now I'm going to film some other videos. But yeah, everything's still going. Everything's still wearing really well. Given this is only like a half a wear test, but I thought I'd just throw this in here anyway because why not? All right, loves. I think that's everything now. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. If you haven't already, please hit that little notification bell if you want to be notified whenever I have new videos every Monday, Wednesday, Friday at 12 p.m. Pacific time. Let me know what kind of videos you want to see next down below, and I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye. Hey, loves. Wow. Okay. Keep walking. Don't knock over the microphone. Come on. Okay. Hi. Impossible to film anything. Please don't lick that. Why is it that you wait? As soon as I push record, you just will need all the loves. Don't lick my primer off. Why are you licking my primer off? Luna! Not good for you. Why you need so much love? Oh. Gosh, I'm licking my mouth. Why you do that? And we just go into the grocery store, huh? Well, not you. That would be weird. But we could take you. Put you in the cart. You could step front. She's like, yeah, sounds good to me. I love you. Sponge. Whoa. One, if my brows not be looking cute. I'm sorry, okay? Okay. Excuse me, Binks. You see his tail? You see? What are you doing? What doing? You saying hello? Hi, baby. Oh. This is boy. What doing? Baby. Hi. Hi. Okay. Child. Hey. Hey. Child. Why? Why is this a thing? I don't think this should be a good habit. This is not a good habit to climb up mom's back. Need all the attention. I can't give them all the attention when I'm filming. I have to give you guys the attention. Child! What? Hi, you can't. What doing? Why? I don't know what's happening. Alright, well, I'm gonna go film some other stuff. Also, do you like my giant hoops? Wow, bigger to hoop, the bigger to hoe.